Deforestation is the clearing or removal of trees. According to the UN Food and Agriculture Organization, some 178 million hectares of forest have been lost worldwide over the past 3 decades. Urbanization accounts for roughly 5% of all deforestation. As populations shift from rural to urban areas, it leads to an exponential growth of housing sites. Cities become larger to host more people, and clearing out trees makes that possible. Construction also causes deforestation, making up nearly 10%. Transportation systems such as roads and airports all fuel human activity, but they require large and open land to do so. But neither urbanization or construction contribute as much as agriculture, which accounts for nearly 80% of deforestation, as forests are burned and destroyed for space to grow food. Greatly accelerated by human activities since 1960, deforestation has been harming natural ecosystems. The United States FAO estimates that 80% of land organisms live in forests, so biodiversity is threatened as natural imbalances are created. Forest ecosystems become less stable when biodiversity is lower, so deforestation ultimately decreases tolerance to natural disturbances. But another dangerous effect is the loss of habitat. Trees provide abiotic factors like shade, colder temperatures, and shelter, so removal of trees results in a loss of temperature regulation, which can be fatal. Clearing of forests is also responsible for soil erosion. Forest soils are richer in organic matter like nitrogen, and they are more resistant to extreme weather conditions. Also, trees help control atmospheric water levels by regulating the water cycle. Thus, deforestation degrades and dries out soil, leaving areas vulnerable to natural disasters. Global warming is also a result of deforestation. Forests store twice the amount of carbon dioxide than is found in the atmosphere. As forests are cleared and burned, that CO2 is released, accounting for 12% of the total greenhouse gas emissions, according to National Geographic. Deforestation not only harms the environment, but it harms us humans as well. So one way to minimize the impacts of deforestation is to adopt plant-based diets. Since livestock farming and agriculture accounts for nearly 80% of all deforestation, less meat and dairy consumption could reduce farmland by over 75%, according to the 2018 IPCC report. Consuming less and more consciously is another important method. As consumers, we can choose to buy less industrial products that require a lot of fossil fuels to produce. Instead, homemade approaches with fewer chemicals are a better option. We can also consume more responsibly by buying products from brands with eco-friendly practices, such as buying groceries directly from small farmers.